Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Archika from hashtagsandkeywords.com, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can lock your Facebook profile through Facebook app. So keep watching. Okay, so I recently heard about a new feature that Facebook rolled out, which is, you can lock your personal profile on Facebook. And it is pretty amazing feature for those, who just love their privacy, who always meant to share their photos with just their friends and family. But on Facebook, when the profile is public, everyone who is visiting your profile can see your photos and your personal details. But with this feature, you can protect your personal details by locking your profile. And if you are the one, if you love your privacy a lot, then I believe you should go to Facebook today and lock your profile so that only your loved ones and your friends can see what you're sharing. So let's take a look how you can lock your profile. To do so, first you need to go to your Facebook app, and then you need to go to profile. Once you're on your profile, you then need to tap on this three dot button. Once you click on it, you will be prompted to this menu, and from here you need to tap on this lock profile button. Once you click on it, you'll then see the specifications of what will happen once you lock your profile. So here it says only friends will see the photos and posts on your timeline. Only friends will see your full-size profile picture and cover photo, and people you aren't friends with will see a maximum of 5 profile details. So that's pretty much it. So if you're good with it, you can always go ahead and tap on this lock your profile button. I'm gonna tap it right now. So it is now telling me that you've locked your profile. Only your friends can see the photos and posts on your timeline. So since I'm good with it, I'm gonna tap again on this OK button over here. And as soon as you're done tapping this OK button, it will then show you that your profile is locked. So that's pretty much it. It was quite simple to lock the profile. And if you want to lock your profile, please go ahead, open your Facebook app and lock your profile today. Thank you. Hey guys, thank you for watching. I hope you found it useful and informative. If so, please spread the word by liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel. For more such informative articles, browse through my blogs on hashtagsandkeywords.com. Have a good day.